we are from group 3. We will discuss the topic of pandemic and study at home. What is pandemic? Pandemic from the Greek, pan meaning all and demos meaning people, is an epidemic of a disease that spreads over a large area. For example, several continents or around the world. The current pandemic now is
Pandemic
coronavirus.
represent the spread of the 2019 coronavirus disease worldwide. This disease is caused by a new type of coronavirus named SARS-CoV-2. The COVID-19 outbreak was first detected in Wuhan City, Hubei Province, China on December 1, 2019, and was declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization (WHO) on March 11, 2020. The SARS-CoV-2 virus is thought to be spread between people, primarily through respiratory droplets produced during coughing. The species can also result from sneezing and normal breathing. In addition, the virus can spread by touching contaminated surface and then touching someone's face. The time period between exposure, the virus, and the appearance of symptoms is usually around 5 days, but can range from 2 to 14 days.
Pandemic effect. The difficulty of handling the coronavirus has made many country leaders overwhelmed in determining future steps, even having to determine very difficult policies. One of the policies that greatly influence various aspects of life is social interaction. The field that has also been affected by emergence of the virus is education. Ministries in various countries have taken steps in various schools and universities to conduct online learning. This online learning aims to increase awareness and the process of stopping the spread of the virus through direct interaction between people.
Pandemic effect in education. Online learning is indeed a favorite thing to do, especially in developed countries. But for Indonesia itself, it is still very early to do because there are still many aspects to consider. In addition, teaching and learning activities must continue even though they must be carried out online in order to educate the nation's children. This of course requires more attention from parents to be involved in monitoring each child while studying at home. Of course, change in teaching and learning activities in the midst of the pandemic have both positive and negative impacts on education in Indonesia.
Study from home. 1. Children have a lot of time at home with family. 2. Various learning methods. Learning doesn't have to be in the classroom. 3. Children are sensitive and adapt to change. 4. Children must be able to explore technology.
Students are at risk of dropping out of school because they are forced to work to help family economy. Number 2. Students have a potential to become victims of domestic violence that the teacher does not detect. Number 3. Student risks of losing learning because of face-to-face learning activities in class produce better academic achievement than distance learning. The last, students do not socialize
of the home learning system, practical and flexible. With online learning, the interaction between teachers and students will be more practical because they don't have to travel to meet. In addition, there are no classroom of formal learning. The teaching and learning process can take place anywhere as long as it is conducive and can help the focus.
Weakness of online learning system, namely overwhelming text, consume a lot of internet data or quota, easily tired, bored from staring at your cell phone or laptop for too long, lack of interactions with instructor, lack of effectiveness in absorptions of matter. The points that I mentioned earlier are one of the weaknesses of implementing an online learning system. Learning through this system is also considered boring and less interactive because we usually meet friends in college, now only able to communicate via the medium of the telephone.
The impact is not only felt in daily activities but also on mental conditions, especially for students. The current condition, which forces them to stay at home all the time, can have a negative impact on their mentality. The current situation requires students to be more aware of the surrounding environment. This condition causes mental health problems, one of which is psychosomatic disorder, anxiety, panic, and fear. Psychosomatic will arise when a person feels stressed and anxious. Therefore, studying at home is not always safe because it can have a negative impact on our health.
During this pandemic, is it effective to study on site or study at home? During this pandemic, we are required to carry out social distancing activities and all sectors feel the impact of COVID-19, including the world of education. All students are required to study at home. To comply with the COVID-19 protocol, is actually more effective to study online at home because it can reduce the impact of this COVID-19 transmission as students can more develop their creativity. But after all this time, many students are bored with studying online at home because there are obstacles such as a need for enough internet to be able to participate in the online learning process and inadequate network access for students in the remote area.